Shalom, my brothers and sisters. Welcome to Poetry Time with Abba Yah.
Pierced, bruised, and sent as a benediction, my Messiah was tested in the furnace of affliction. He endured man's persecution for the joy of our salvation. He is our wonderful counselor, yes, our Prince of Peace, the glorious everlasting Father, whose mercies will never cease. The weight of the stake you bore, I'm sure, hurt you to your core. The lashes made you sore. Now you will reign forevermore. So for those who feel imprisoned, today you have a reason. Take heart in this new season, for our King of Kings is risen. We thank you, Yah, for your benediction, for we can now overcome the furnace of affliction. We must endure man's persecution for the joy of your salvation. Hallelujah.